dog yard. You double seven deuce waving and back quiet.
Double seven making a whole lot of noise around Coney Island. Yeah, double seven deuce making a whole lot of noise out here in Coney Island. Trinitron 9 and more Trinitron 9 just got down.
Trinitron 9, 24-9, sound like you said. So you just got down. Double seven deuce in Arkansas with the holiday wave back quiet.
Right back, double seven deuce. Welcome to the weekend. Double seven deuce. Welcome to the weekend. Trinitron 9 Coney Island. Trinitron 9 Coney Island said bye bye bye.
Take care, my brother. You said bye, bye, bye. I'm going to say top of the night to you, and I'm going to just ease to the side and read the mail. You double seven deuce in Arkansas, working this little 1-800 by quiet.
Got it all. You said it all. Keep up the good word. Double seven deuce. Your Trinitron 9 Coney Island, riding the wave and walking on the water. Bye, bye, bye. Who else gonna put it in these deep waters of Coney Island? Who else gonna put it in these deep waters of Coney Island? Trinitron 9 Coney Island got down.
A little bit around Detroit. Reebok downtown.
Hey Reebok, look around Coney Island. Hey Reebok, look around Coney Island. Hey Reebok, look around Coney Island. Trinitron 9, break, break, break. Hey Reebok, Trinitron 9, trying to put it where you can get it. Hey Reebok, yeah, Trinitron 9, Trinitron 9, Reebok, Trinitron 9, got down. Let me get out of these deep waters of Coney Island. Let me get out of these deep waters of Coney Island, Trinitron 9. Let me pull it out of the deep waters of Coney Island, Trinitron 9, Coney Island, got down. Reebok, Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Reebok, Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Reebok, Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Break, break, break.
I know your party station class,
Reebok, Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Reebok, Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Break, break, break.
Pull those numbers out. I'm on the side.
Let me get out of these deep waters. Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Trinitron 9 and more. Trinitron 9, deep waters of Coney Island. Got down.
Up in New York, 24-9, 772, right back.
772, you still sounding good around Coney Island. Hey, 772, you still sounding real good around Coney Island. 772, Trinitron 9, just got down. Here I come again, riding the wave. Here I come again, walking on the water. Trinitron 9, Coney Island, right there, right now. Trinitron 9, Coney Island, right there, right now. And I just got down.
You getting down, DW. You ain't getting up. You were smoking, DW. I'm back quiet.
Hey, 772, tell DW bye, bye, bye. Hey, 772, tell DW Coney Island said bye, bye, bye.
Here are you, DW. Fort Wayne gone. You have a good night. 772, gonna read the mail. Know you, buddy.
Let me get out of these deep waters. Let me get out of these deep waters. The man riding the wave and walking on the water. The man riding the wave and walking on the water. Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen, good down.
Hello, 100. I'm away with you. I hadn't spoke to you. 100. Double 7 deuce. Back at 25. I just want to stop through and say hello. I heard you. Wanted to know, did you have any Mother Nature? But you got a little Mother Nature in my radio. Hello, 25. Black Rooster right back.
We're going to get it back to Coney Island. I'm trying to get this base station cleaned out. We're going to put it back in Coney Island. I'm trying to get my radio cleaned out. Your Trinitron 9. Your Trinitron 9. The man riding the wave just got down.
Hey, T9, you got the hammer down over here in Florida. No two ways about it, all by yourself. Hey, my good friend, while you're walking on water and riding the wave, T9, watch me good looking, right?
Hey, watchmaker, here I come, riding that wave, walking on the water. Hey, watchmaker, here I come, riding the wave, walking on the water. Hey, watchmaker, good evening, Trinitron 9, break, break, break. Hey, watchmaker, you fell out. Hey, watchmaker, you fell out. Hey, watchmaker, you fell out. But here I come again, riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water. Hey, watchmaker, Trinitron 9, right there, right now. Y'all know my policy. No ghosts talking aloud in Coney Ellen. Y'all know my policy. No ghosts talking aloud in Coney Ellen. It's bad for my reputation. Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen, just got down. I don't see nothing wrong with riding the wave. I don't see nothing wrong with walking on the water. Nothing wrong, nothing wrong, nothing wrong. Trinitron 9 just playing in the water. That's all I'm doing. I'm playing in the water out here in Coney Island. I'm having fun in the water. Trinitron 9, Coney Island, got down. Hey, watchmaker, I'm waiting for you to bring it back. Hey, watchmaker, I'm waiting for you to ride the wave back. Can you do it, watchmaker? Can you do it? Trinitron 9, Coney Island, checking the mail. Let me get out of the water. Let me go back to the shoreline. Let me get out of these deep waters and go back to the shoreline. Trinitron 9 and more Trinitron 9. The man playing in the water. The man with his hands in the air giving thanks and praise to the Almighty just got down.
Black Rooster to Magnolia. That small station, Black Rooster, Magnolia, Bay Bay. Hello, right back 1 p.m. Hey, hello, right back 1 p.m. We just trying to get an audio checked out, Bay Bay. Roger, looking good and sounding good. Looking good and sounding good. Worldwide, Black Rooster and Magnolia. Moving on today.
We're going to clean up my radio. I'm still trying to get this Coney Island base station cleaned up. We're going to put it where I can get it out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. I want my radio cleaned up, and I want it cleaned up now. Trinitron 9, deep waters of Coney Island, got down. I want my radio cleaned up, and I want it cleaned up now. I want my radio cleaned up, and I want it cleaned up now. Trinitron 9, deep waters of Coney Island, got down. I hear you out there, man, but you can't clean up my radio like that. I hear you coming back to the man walking on the water, but you can't clean up my radio. You got to give me something better than that, man. You got to clean it up, man. I'm waving at you, though. Welcome to the weekend. Welcome to the weekend. Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen. Good down. I hear you out there. I think that's 91. I don't want to do no ghost toy. I think that's 91. You got to do better than that if you're going to clean out this radio. You got to do better than that if you're going to clean out this Coney Ellen base station. Trinitron 9 with the evening wave. Just got down. I don't know what's going on, but I'm riding this wave and I'm walking on this water. That's what I know. I'm riding this wave and I'm walking on this water. Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen. I got all the way down. I hear you calling me. I hear you trying to get it back to me. I hear you calling me. I hear you trying to get it back with me, but I ain't got no good conditions on you. I don't have good conditions on you, but I hear you out there. I acknowledge your station. Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen, just playing in the water. Break, break, break. Getting on up, getting on up, getting on up.
You should have told him to shoot. That he was nothing but a damn squeal.
I heard you, Pistol. Yeah, that's why I thought it was 91 in the beginning, but 91 he got that Silver Eagle. Yeah, I know. I heard you. I hear you, Pistol.
Roger.
Roger, Roger. Riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water. I'm riding the wave and I'm walking on the water. Trinitron 9, Coney Ellen, got down.
All right, Papa Sticker. If there's any way possible, we'll see you around Joliet. If there's any way possible, we'll see you in Joliet. Hello, Papa Sticker, Black Rooster, moving on.